Hey guys, hello and welcome back to the channel. I am Chris, this is Dirty Trucker 08, and today I'm going to show you how to change a temp sensor so your thermometer up on the dash up there or up on the console works again. Let's get into it. Alright, so on the newer Beetles, mine's an 05. From my understanding, it's the same from 98 up through something. I don't know when it stops, I'm not an expert on this. But, at least for mine, the 05 Beetle here, the sensor for your little thermometer gauge display is up in the front under the marker light, kind of back in behind the grill a little bit. I'll just show you where it is, and then I'm going to show you why I can't just change out the sensor on mine. So here we are, front of the car. Car's up in the air, makes it a little easier to get to. And if you look, right there, that hole behind the grill here is where the temperature sensor is supposed to be. Now I've pulled mine out already. You can see my sensor only has one tab left. There's supposed to be 3 there. Simple little unsnap, it unplugs. That part's quick. Changing this out should be a super quick deal. The problem I'm having though is one of the wires that goes to that sensor has broken. Apparently it's been hanging out of its little holder for a while. Just from bouncing around and moving, the wire's broke. So here's the wire that I've got to fix. Here's the plug, and there's the wire. Now the other end of it is right there. So I'm going to have to strip these down and then re-insulate these 2 wires back together. Then plug and play. Alright, so now that I've fixed that wire real quick, just a super simple, strip the ends off, shove it in the connector. That particular style is a heat shrink with the solder built in. A little bit of heat, melts it right together, seals it up, weather tight, good to go. Now all you've got to do now is take your new sensor. I bought mine off Amazon. You can get them at your preferred choice of places. Now this one did look to be the same thing. Whenever I was searching, it seemed like there was only basically one type. So hopefully, and it looks the same to me. It's got the same, very similar ends. 2 wires in there. You can see how this one has the 3 ends to snap in and hold it. Should take care of what we need. But it's literally just plug it in, put it back in its housing, and you're good to go. Just snaps right in. Super easy. Now we get to check and see if it actually worked. Alright, so here we are. It's working, but it's definitely not negative 49 degrees. Alright guys, so a super quick drive, 15-20 minutes, something like that. Temperature started out, was reading incorrectly, negative 49, I believe it was. 15 or 20 minute drive, kept glancing up at the thermometer, seeing what the outside temp was doing. And 5 or 10 minutes in, something like that, it just started skyrocketing. It was just ticking through them super quick. So, change out your temp sensor, take the car for a drive, give it a little bit of time to get kind of used to whatever it is that it does, because now it's reading correct. Hope this helped. I will see you guys next time. Thanks for hanging out.